This is a 15 kVA wire ring butt welders, pneumatically operated. Connect two lines of 3-phase, one neutral and one earthing to the machine. This over here is the inlet of the air compressor to this FRL. In this you can adjust the pressure about 60 to 70 psi. This over here is auxiliary pressure for welding. This is a controller for adjusting the parameters. These are the pneumatic clamping jaws for clamping the ring. Under this there are the chromium zirconium copper welding jaws. Then we have the welding cylinder over here. Here is the main line indicator. Here we have the current selector switch, pump on off switch and the welding foot switch. Now after keeping the parameters, pressure, current and the weld timing, we will show you the welding. Adjust the parameters as per the data given in the manual and then do the welding. Just clamp the rings, the jaws. Once again, the welding, just clamp the rings, press the foot switch and leave the foot switch. Then take out the welded rings. I can show you, clamp the rings by depressing the foot switch. After welding, leave the foot switch and then take out the rings. Just clamp the ring, press the foot switch. Let's see welding taking place. This is how it's welded. So, one more ring, how to weld. Hold this rings in between the welding jaws. See the welding taking place.